Oh, cow and Merganser. Looked like there was a raptor over there that was flying. Not the worst shot. Good morning. It's pretty cloudy this morning, but hopefully they'll move away. We're heading to Mill Pond Park. Gonna see if we can get some more action. There's some red-bellied woodpeckers over there. I think there's 3 of them up in that tree. Tough to titmouse. Ooh, looked like there was a raptor over there that was flying. Oh, it might be right there. I don't think it was a crow, because it was brown. I think that was most likely a Cooper's hawk. Cardinal down there. Yeah, I think it was a Cooper's hawk. Red-bellied woodpecker just called from over there. It's pretty steep right here. I heard a Carolina wren over there pretty far a few minutes ago. Some geese migrating. I'm hearing a chip call from a sparrow. Most likely a dark-eyed junco in that tree over there. Yeah, I think that's what that is. Dark-eyed junco. Not the worst shot. What's that? Lost him. Red-bellied woodpecker. Could be a tree sparrow, could be a fox sparrow. Oh, I see him. Oh, I think that was a white-throated sparrow. Yeah. Yep. Something is over there. Oh, downy woodpecker. Oh, and there's a blue jay right there. Blue jays are surprisingly hard to get close to. Cardinals. Usually a good batch of birds over here. Cardinal. Right on the ground. Right there, it just flew. Oh, there's 2. Quite a few blue jays in that tree over there. There are 3 male cardinals right around here. Ooh, I think we have a wren I think that was a Carolina wren on that log over there, that rotten log. Oh, there's quite a few birds. There's a female cardinal right in this bush. Ooh, there's the wren. There are 2 Carolina wrens right in that bush over there. Psh, 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 psh. I hear a Carolina wren. It's amazing how loud they can get. We got some dark-eyed juncos on the left of us. And then the Carolina wrens keep calling straight ahead. I see him. He's right at the base of that tree. Psh, 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 psh. Well, they flew. I've been right over there and saw a female hooded merganser in the river back in May. There was quite a bit of action down there by the river, so if I don't find anything over here, then I'll see if they're still there. A few juncos over here. Oop, here it comes. Psh, 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 psh. Psh, 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 psh. Finches. Oh, dang it. I think they were all house finches. Never got a clear view though. Common redpolls are another finch that hopefully will come in winter. Last year we got a very small amount. Yeah, there's usually some action around here, but it's been pretty slow lately. Goose. I can just imagine a Pacific loon floating in this water. There's usually a great blue heron that hangs around here, but I haven't been seeing him. Oop. They sure do sound weird close up. There's some golden crowned kinglets calling around me right now. I haven't seen one though. In the spring, this place is filled with warblers. Oh, looks like it's about to be sunny. Here comes the sun. Beautiful. Ooh, there's some sparrows over there and finches. They all just flew to this side of the river. Dark-eyed junco. Here's some action. Oh, there's so many birds. There's a bunch of American tree sparrows and dark-eyed juncos, and blue jays and cardinals. I think all the birds are still here. I'm gonna try to find a better spot though. Yes, all the birds are still here. Same with Garfield. Trying to get an ID on some of these sparrows. All I see are juncos, American tree sparrows, and cardinals. I think that was a song sparrow. That looked like a fox sparrow. American tree sparrow. I think I just heard a brown creeper over there. That way. That was definitely a brown creeper. Hey. Oh, common merganser. How did I not see that? Oh my. I should have seen that. He must have flown pretty far down, because I'm not seeing him. I think when I saw him, I yelled common merganser and scared him away. Well, we made it back to the bike. Well, that will wrap it up for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.